Friends, have you ever wondered why? As each year passes, your waistline feels heavier, your skin loses its smoothness, and more dark spots and wrinkles appear, even though your eating habits haven't really changed? In fact, medical science has proven that after the age of 25 to 30, the body's metabolism begins to slow down, dropping by about 10% every decade on average. That means the same amount of food as before now burns fewer calories. And the excess is more likely to build up as belly fat or thigh fat. On top of that, hormones also change with age. For women especially, declining estrogen levels make the skin lose its glow faster, become drier, more prone to dark spots, and wrinkles start forming. That's exactly why so many women say, after 30, my skin aged so quickly. To make matters worse, irregular eating habits, too much greasy food, too few vegetables, and not enough fiber leave the body struggling to process food. This not only leads to weight gain but also dull skin and breakouts. Combine that with stress and lack of sleep, and things get even worse. When stressed, the body releases more cortisol, a hormone that makes fat accumulate around the belly and speeds up skin aging. I'm sure you've experienced it too. Just a few sleepless nights can leave your face looking pale, tired, and lifeless. That's the clearest proof. But don't worry, weight gain and bad skin are not the end of the story. Your body still has the ability to recover if you know how to take care of it properly. And let me emphasize, you don't need extreme dieting, weight loss pills, or expensive cosmetics. Just a few simple changes in your daily meals, using the right formulas from everyday ingredients, and within a few weeks, you'll notice a big difference: brighter skin, a slimmer waistline, and more energy. In today's video, I'll reveal 2 super simple yet effective formulas: yogurt combined with flax seeds for smoother, brighter skin and a slimmer waist, and lemon with honey to safely reduce fat and nourish healthy skin from within. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll share the exact steps and common mistakes to avoid so you won't waste time or effort. And before we dive into the main content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of the latest videos from Live Well every day. Each video is meant to be a gentle, practical reminder to help you care for your health naturally and safely, without complication, without expense. Clapperboard Formula 1. Yogurt combined with flax seeds, for brighter skin and a slimmer waist. Friends, did you know that in modern nutrition there's one very important principle? A healthy gut equals a healthy body and glowing skin? And one of the simplest ways to nourish your gut is by eating yogurt every day. First, take 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Yogurt contains millions of probiotic bacteria. These are the good bugs that help balance your gut microbiome. When your digestive system is strong, your body absorbs nutrients better, reduces bloating, and limits fat storage. In addition, yogurt is rich in calcium and B vitamins, which strengthen bones, reduce fatigue, and especially support smoother, brighter skin with less dullness. You could say yogurt is a dual-purpose food, great for your figure and for your skin from the inside out. Next, add a teaspoon of finely ground flax seeds. They may look tiny, but flax seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition: plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, soluble fiber, and lignans. Omega-3 helps reduce inflammation and improves skin elasticity. Fiber helps you feel fuller longer and supports weight loss, and lignans have been proven to help balance hormones, a crucial factor in reducing dark spots, pigmentation, and belly fat. Many medical studies also show that eating flax seeds regularly can noticeably reduce waist size in just a few weeks, while also slowing down skin aging. And when yogurt is combined with flax seeds, we have a perfect pair. Yogurt supplies probiotics to keep digestion smooth, while flax seeds provide fiber and antioxidants. The result? A lighter body, a smaller waistline, and brighter, smoother skin. This is a simple, low-cost, yet long-lasting secret. The method is easy. Just take 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt, add a teaspoon of finely ground flax seeds, mix well, and eat right away. You can enjoy it after breakfast, or about an hour before bedtime. To make it tastier, you can add low-sugar fruits like strawberries, kiwi, or a drizzle of honey for better flavor and stronger immunity. I had a student named Hang, 38 years old. She used to complain that her lower belly always felt bloated, even when she ate very little, and her skin often broke out and looked dull. I suggested she try a small change. Every evening, eat 1 cup of plain yogurt topped with a teaspoon of finely ground flax seeds. After just 3 weeks, when I saw her again, she smiled and said, "I can't believe it. My belly feels so much lighter. My skin is brighter, and most of my pimples are gone." Her story is similar to many of us. Sometimes, all it takes is one small habit. But if you stick with it, your body will reward you with positive changes you never expected. And let me add an important reminder: while flax seeds are very good, eating more doesn't mean faster results. Because they're high in fiber, overdoing it can easily cause bloating, gas, or indigestion. The best daily amount is just 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground flax seeds. Remember, flax seeds have a tough outer shell. If you eat them whole, your body can't absorb all the nutrients. So I always recommend grinding them first. Also, never choose sweetened or flavored yogurt, because sugar cancels out the weight control benefits and can even trigger more breakouts. For those with digestive conditions, such as stomach ulcers or irritable bowel syndrome, start with a small amount to let your body adjust. Don't take too much at once. That's the first secret, a very small habit that can bring you smoother skin and a slimmer waist. And stay tuned, because right after this, I'll reveal another simple formula that works like a natural, miracle remedy to reduce fat and beautify the skin. That's lemon and honey. Dear friends, to prepare the lemon and honey drink, first take half of a fresh lemon, gently squeeze out the juice, and remove the seeds. It may look small, but inside a lemon is a rich source of vitamin C and citric acid, nutrients that help the body boost collagen production, brighten and smooth the skin, aid digestion, and help flush out excess fat and toxins. It's no surprise that many scientific studies confirm that lemon is one of the best fruits for supporting weight loss and fighting aging. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Then pour in about 200 milliliters of warm water, but remember, only around 104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. If the water is too hot, it will destroy the vitamin C in the lemon and the precious enzymes in the honey, which would be a real waste. Honey has a naturally gentle sweetness and is rich in enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants that protect the skin against aging, fight fatigue, and provide a light source of energy without causing weight gain like refined sugar. When these 2 ingredients blend together, you get a soothing, pleasant drink that's also a natural elixir. Lemon provides vitamin C, helps detox the liver, and boosts fat burning, while honey balances the sourness, protects the stomach, and nourishes the skin from deep within. If consumed regularly, you'll notice a lighter belly, a slimmer waist, and fresher, more radiant skin. The method is extremely simple. Just half a lemon for juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir well, and drink immediately. The best times to drink it are in the morning, about 15 minutes after waking up to cleanse the body, or in the evening, about an hour before bed to improve sleep and brighten the skin. There's a 55-year-old neighbor of mine who had quite a big belly, often felt tired, and his skin always looked dull. His daughter suggested he try warm lemon and honey water every morning. He agreed, though at first he thought it was just for fun. But after more than a month, he said, "My belly feels lighter. I go to the bathroom more easily. I wake up with more energy. And my skin looks rosier." He himself was surprised that such a simple habit, just half a lemon, a spoonful of honey, and warm water could make his body feel so much healthier and lighter. And I also want to remind you of a few important points to use this drink correctly. Never mix it with boiling or very hot water, because high heat destroys vitamin C in lemon and the enzymes in honey. Don't drink it on a completely empty stomach, because the acid in lemon can irritate the stomach lining, especially for those with ulcers, acid reflux, or gastritis. It's best to dilute it more or drink after a light snack. People with diabetes can still drink it, but should reduce the amount of honey and consult a doctor, since honey, although healthy, still contains natural sugar. Finally, don't overdo it during the day. Just 1 cup in the morning or evening is enough. Too much can wear down tooth enamel or upset your stomach's acid balance. That's all, simple and close to home. But this lemon honey drink is truly a secret to maintaining your figure, enhancing your skin, and keeping your body healthy and youthful, all from ingredients right in your own kitchen. Dear friends, I also want to emphasize one very important thing. No matter the formula, whether yogurt with flax seeds or lemon with honey, it only brings real benefits if used correctly and in the right amount. Overeating or drinking too much won't help the body absorb more. Sometimes it even backfires, causing bloating, stomach irritation, or increased blood sugar. Van ko muon min viet lai ton bo 3 kong thuk, mo do plus sua chua hat lan plus chan mat ong, ton mo script tieng en lean muk de ban lam video hon chin luon kong. And remember, my friends, these formulas are natural supports, not magic potions. Drinking them won't make your skin glow or your waist slim overnight. For real results, you need to combine them with a healthy lifestyle, eating plenty of vegetables, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and moving your body with light exercise each day. Only then will the body change from the inside out in a lasting and sustainable way. I'm sharing this not to make you worry, but to reassure you that with patience and consistency, your body will surely reward you with abundant health and a radiant appearance. So today, I've shared with you 2 very simple yet effective formulas. Just a small spoon of flax seeds in your daily bowl of yogurt, or a properly made glass of lemon honey water, can bring about positive changes: a slimmer waist, brighter skin, and a lighter, happier spirit. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Live Well every day and turn on the notification bell, so I can share more small but powerful secrets to help you stay in shape, care for your skin, and live naturally healthy. And if you've ever tried these formulas yourself, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll read them and do my best to respond, walking alongside you day by day. Finally, I wish you all abundant health, joy, and peace. May every morning you wake up feeling light, with a radiant face and a heart full of energy. Herb Green Heart.